Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the lectures when I respect. My name is Shifa Rafifa along with name 4423111044 as a representative and a leader from PBL Action Groups. We have group members consisting of Faiza Irna Harahap, Rizal Pratama Putra, Agung Ramadhani Eka Setia, Abelino Paichan, and Irfan Afriyadi Bakara. This semester we have a project to create QR code-based digital signatures web for mechanical engineering. Next, I will show the contribution of each member. In general, a QR code-based digital signature is an electronic authentication method that is capable to verifying a person's identity upon approval of the document and digital transaction. The objective implementation of digital signatures include: first is the security. The security part of digital signatures that use encryption to protect document from modification and forgery. Second, in efficiency, speeding up the administration process by reduce the time required by using. And three, in the verification process, which has features to combine status document and signatures. And the last, in access, which allows someone to sign document in everywhere and anytime, which internet access and device.
Hello, I'm Abelino. I will read you about functional requirements. Here we have 8 functions, namely: number 1, user registering an account; number 2, user purpose login; number 3, user can manage their profile including changing password, updating contact information, and setting account preference. Number 4, user can open the digital signature creation, contact, and QR code scanner menus. Number 5, user can create a digital signature by filling the subject and date of the signature creation. Number 6 are described in the table. The parameters of this application specification are adjusted to the required criteria. Availability.
I, Faiza Irna, will explain first about the Ushkosh diagram. The first is user, namely lecturer and staff. Lecturer and staff can register the login and manage their profile, then open the menu, then create a signature, then receive the QR code result. Then the user can also export data and finally log on. Manual, the admin first register, then codes in, then manages the profile, then opens the menu, then export the data, and finally logs out. Next, I will explain several scenarios, namely the first, that managing profile can be done by all users. The goal is to change profile data according to their wish, such as name, password, or other information, and make sure the data is appropriate. And the second is the open the menu can be accessed by a user. Opening this menu likes opening the footer page available after login in. And the third is core application, namely creating an signature. So the signature feature user can fill in the report and date. And next, in the RD section, there are several entities such as user, admin, reports, and QR code. First, the user entities creates a report, and the report generates a QR code. In the admin entity section, the admin is the primary key, username, email, and password. And the user entity section consists is user ID as primary key, username, email, and password. The report entity section contains the report ID, user ID, description, and date. The QR code entity section contains QR code, report ID, date, username, and description.
Table name user, primary key ID user, front key, table structure, column name, data type, long description. Column name ID user, data type, varchar, long 50, description, user unique ID. column name, username, data type, varchar, long 20, description, username, column name, email, data type, varchar, long 20, description, email, address, user, column name, password, data type, varchar, long 50, description, password, table name, admin, primary key ID admin, front key, table structure, column name, data type, long description, column name, ID admin, data type varchar, long 50, description, admin unique ID, column name, username, data type varchar, long 20, description, username, admin, column name, email, data type varchar, long.
This is a mock-up of our application which includes the homepage, login, and account registration, personal data form, QR code display, and share. First, the user must create an account. Then the user fills the data to create personal account. Then returns to the login view to enter the data from view. And then the user fills the form, then click the save button. It will automatically enter the list history. After that, the user list history section and clicks. It will switch the reference of the data from along with the QR code. Then the user can download the QR code below. In addition to downloading, the user can also share the QR code through several media. More or less, that's our application mockup. Apologize if there is shortcoming in our mockup. We will fix it. Thank you.
Project constraints. Interview between the project manager and group members and the client have not been conducted. Solution. We will conduct an interview after discussion within the project manager. Part of the project with the course. Indonesian language required to compile project documents and documentation. Statistics user to analyze user data. Database programming implement to store user data and digital signatures. Introduction to project management help in planning and managing web content project. Data structure required for storage and management efficiency. Object orientation programming framework to clean and easy to maintain web development. Software design prevents and user understanding of user analysis and web application design. Next work plan. Implementation of relevant object-oriented programming language, Java or Python, and database storage with MySQL and Laravel. Testing. Perform system functionality testing to ensure all features are working properly. Training and implementation. Conduct training for user on how to use a digital signature system with QR codes.
With this, we form the digital signature presentation group. Would like to express our gratitude for the attention and time given. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.